Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to do these two questions from the chapter Polynomials. Assertion is x cube plus x has only one real zero. Reason, a polynomial of nth degree must have n real zeros. To check the assertion statement, let's factorize x cube plus x. Taking x as common, we get x squared plus 1. Now setting each factor to 0, we get x equals 0 or x squared plus 1 equals 0. So x equals 0 or x square equals negative 1. Since square of every real number is greater than equal to 0, we can say that x square plus 1 has no real 0. So the assertion is correct. Now for the reason it says polynomial of nth degree must have n real zeros is false. As you can see that x square plus 1 has degree as 2 but it has no real 0. Find the value of p for which one root of a quadratic polynomial px square minus 14x plus 8 is 6 times the other. Since one root of the polynomial is 6 times the other, we can take the two roots, say alpha, and the other will be 6 times alpha. Now using the relation that sum of the zeros is equal to negative coefficient of x over coefficient of x square, we can say that the sum of the root should be equal to negative coefficient of x, which is negative of negative 14 over p. This results to give you 7 times alpha equals positive 14 over p. We can simplify it further, 7 1 times, 7 2 times. That results to give alpha as how much? 2 over p. Now similarly, using the other relation that the product of the zeros equals constant term over coefficient of x square, we can say that alpha multiplied by the other zero, that is 6 alpha, equals constant term which is 8 over coefficient of x square, which is p. So this results to give you 6 times alpha square equals 8 over p. Now substituting alpha as 2 over p, we get 6 times 2 square, which is 4p square, is p square equals 8 over p. Now by cross multiplication, we can say that this is 8 times p square is equal to 24 times p. Now simplifying it further, we can write this as 8p square minus 24p equals 0. On factorizing, taking 8p as common, we get this as p minus 3 times 3 equals 0. On comparing this factor with 0, we get p equals 0. And on comparing the other factor with 0, p equals 3. Now here p equals 0 is not possible as a cannot be 0.